It's important to keep your espresso machine clean and well maintained in order to get the best flavor and results. After each use, remove the portafilter, separate the filter attachment, and wash to remove any clogged grounds from the filter. Next, clean the group head using the cleaning brush in the tool compartment behind the drip tray. Then rinse the group head by pressing the coffee cup icon. You can place a cup or milk jug underneath to reduce spray or just let it run into the drip pan. Then wipe it dry with a towel. If the steam wand is dirty, clean it with a damp towel. Point the wand down towards the hole in the drip pan cover and turn on the steam for a few seconds to flush the tip. Next, clean the grinding outlet thoroughly using the cleaning brush. This will prevent coffee grinds from getting stuck. Pour out the water in the drip tray, rinse and wipe clean. Finally, wipe down the machine, and that's all there is to it. Taking these steps will ensure the most consistently flavorful espressos and ensure a long life for your Ultima Cosa Espresso Machine.